Hi, Callum here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the grapefruit and ginger Paloma from the Cocktail Kitchen book. This is a simple twist on a modern classic, but absolutely delicious. Let's get into it.
We're going to build this drink in a salt-rimmed highball glass with cubed ice. Good quality tequila is a must-have for a good quality Paloma, so choose wisely. Or if you're feeling adventurous, you can try this with mezcal instead. The grapefruit and ginger sherbet has a serious kick, which is going to go smoothly with the agave notes of your tequila of choice. We're doubling down on the citrusy aspect with fresh lime juice and fresh grapefruit juice for that zing we love from our Palomas. Give this mixture a quick stir to incorporate the flavours, followed by soda to bring this cocktail to the refreshing heights that Palomas are so well known for. And to finish it all off, we're going to garnish it with a thick grapefruit slice. And there you have it, a grapefruit and ginger Paloma. Enjoy!